Hi, Michelle here from Michelle's Jewelry Box Creations .store, and I finally got my bargain bead box for the month of February. Yay, I'm so happy. I just want to give a shout out to their customer service though. I won't say her name. Let me just say that she was a great help and got my replacement box to me very quickly. I've never gotten a package that fast from BBB. So I was really surprised when I opened a response email from her, and she told me that the tracking number was showing it had been delivered. Of course, I ran to the mailbox, and there it was. So this month's bargain, February 2019 bargain bead box is called Picasso. I'm not going to read you the paragraph about what's inside. Every month you get a coupon code for 30% off your order at their sister store, beadboxbargains.com. And they've always got very reasonable prices. Very reasonable, unbelievably low prices on gemstones and, beads, findings, check glass. They don't have a whole big selection. They get new things in constantly. And 30% off of already such low prices makes a big difference. And I love that website. So check it out. This box is one of my favorites, if not my very favorite. It's $15.95 a month, and that includes shipping. And they usually take your money out on the 20th of the previous month, and then they usually have the box mailed out by the 10th of the month, every month. Yeah, just go to bargainbeadbox.com and check it out and see if it's right for you. On the back, there's a shipment identification key, and all the packages are numbered, and it corresponds to the number on the identification key, and it makes this a lot easier. I really love that they do that. And plus, you won't be confused. Even if you don't make videos, you won't be confused at, what is what. Okay, number one, two-piece 26 by 18 millimeter rectangle pendants, antique silver finish. So that's those. And they're just flat metal. Almost filigree-ish, but not quite. They're a little thicker than that. Number two, 10-piece 21 by 8 millimeter abstract style texture lengths, antique silver. Get down, baby. She loves getting up on my desk. It's got a window right in front of it, and she loves to sit up there and look out the window. And here's the links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another thing I like. When they send things like this, they don't just send a couple. Their quantities they send, they're very generous with their quantities. Alright, number three, 20-piece. Excuse me. 6 millimeter Chinese crystal cube beads, topaz. They're just the regular cubes. 20 piece 6.5 millimeter scrollwork square bead caps, antique silver. They are, you know, they're pretty squarish. You can see that. Number 5, 15-inch 4 millimeter coated glass bicone beads, midnight metallic. It's these. They're pretty. I haven't checked out the holes or anything yet. Number 6, 40 piece 6 millimeter silver plated glass stardust round beads. Those are just your typical stardust beads. Very pretty. Number 7, 7.5 inch strand, 8 millimeter Picasso Jasper round beads. They're gorgeous. So gorgeous. Number 8, 3 sets textured square toggle clasp. One-sided, but still pretty nice. I think these are really cool. I like that they're square. And they look kind of tribal in a way. Number 9, 7.5 inch strand, 6 millimeter Picasso Jasper round beads. So we got the 8 and the 6. Perfect. Perfecto. Look at that. It kind of, in a way, reminds me of the Indian agate. Alright, number 10, 50 piece, 4 millimeter cube spacer beads. Number 9. No. Number 10. Here we go. Oh, I have them undone. I love cube spacer beads. Love, love, love. These ones on the side, they look circle. They look like a, you know, a circle shape on the side. Now some of them have like a diamond shape on the side where that, you know, it's just faceted different. But it's a square if you look down on top of it. Cube. Very awesome. Love, love, love. I'll buy all these and all the little shadow ones with the diamond cut, you know, on the side. I'll buy as many of them as I get my hands on. I love those beads. I love working with them and the pieces. Alright, number 11, 20 piece, 4 millimeter Chinese crystal cube beads, teal AB. Here they be. They're so small. Let's see if I can get closer. These are tiny. They're 4mm. They look tiny. Number 12, 4-piece, 18 by 13mm Chinese crystal rectangle beads. It says silver shadow, and I saw the video. I watched a video of another YouTuber, and hers were silver shadow, and they were so pretty. So when I got these, I was a little disappointed that mine are just black, but they're still really pretty, and I love black, so I'll make them work. The silver shadow was gorgeous, but very nice. 4 of them too. Alright, number 13, 3-piece Picasso Jasper pendant set, 2-piece, 34mm, and the biggest one is 48mm. Look at that. Very pretty. And look, I don't know if I'd use like the red or the burgundy colored ones with these because I don't have any of that in it. But like this one, these, same color, like a blue. It's got this color in it. It's got green. It's got these tans. There's a lot of beads on here that would work. Same with the 8mm. Those, this, the white one would work. So, oh no, I probably lost some of my cute. No, they're right here. So, I love that. And number 13, no, number 14, 1 meter, 4x3mm, steel oval jewelry chain, antique silver. It's just regular, but it is a little different than they had last time, so different chain. It's awesome. Just oval links. What size is it? 4x3mm, so it's a nice small size, which is good. Number 15, 24-piece, 8x6mm Chinese crystal rondelle beads, silver shadow. See, these would have looked good, but they'd still look good, I guess, with those black rectangles. 8x6. And they're, like half. It's got the silver shade on it, or gray shade. They're nice and sparkly. Alright, so there we go. That is the February 2019 bargain bead box. It's going to be fun working with everything we got this month. And post your designs to bargain bead box on Facebook or Instagram, Post your design featuring these beads, and you'll be entered to win, I think it's $25 worth of whatever beads at their sister store, Beadbox Bargains. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed, hit that big red subscribe button, so that way you'll be notified of any new videos that I post. So up next will be another tutorial, and keep your eyes open for that. Thank you to all my new subscribers. We'll have a giveaway as soon as I hit, I don't know, probably one of the, let's see, either maybe 500. Maybe 500 will be a goal. But maybe I'll have a small giveaway when I hit 100. But, all right, everybody. Have a nice day.